This is just a really brief update on this old Whirlpool dehumidifier. It's gotten warm outside and the basement ambient has stayed high enough. It's been running for a solid 3 days and no ice. It's not icing up, and in fact it's working great. The air coming out the back is a little warmer than ambient, and the front coil is very cold, and it is really dripping good. I'll show you. Excuse the noise, but it's the noise of four twinned Linux furnaces running full bore. Flashlight. As you can see down in there, all that water is from that dehumidifier. That's it. All the water is from that dehumidifier. So I would say she's working. So yeah, now that it's not icing up, it's working very well. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.